According to the latest research by the team of psychologists Fox and Rooney from the United States of America, the people who take lots of selfies per day have some psychological problems. Even though they have a lots of admiration, they have an exaggerated admiration in their physical appearances.
Right. The research says that selfie as well as selfie craze is a new kind of social sickness.
In the research, it was also revealed that the women take more interest in taking selfies than a men.
People try to seek attention and always pose in the wild and unnatural style of taking selfies, and attention of their friends.
In another study, American Psychiatric Association says if a person takes 3 selfies in a day, especially with the duck-faced, he or she surely have some psychological problems.
The addiction of taking selfies grows with time.
बस मामा अब बहुत ज्ञान बांट दिया. So dear uncles and aunties, please welcome our 6th standard students for the upcoming performance, a mime on selfie craze.